titani. All right. Ora Samuel Nyamecha, good morning.
Good morning, oh.
And I that is what Becca and Max Morning Show. So.
Mr. Darcy for some of my friend.
All right. Now, Megidi say ni ayekwa to say juju say movie industry, especially Kumawood no wati. Na ja me say wati a woti ye no wadwene eye wo sen e wo ho.
Madam wase wo akonya amodi amame amepai. The thing say juju ne enye juju ne eyina no. Baby obia wona dwene se de osi dwene fa. Emfa say Max TV awe akonya wotisui obi wa dwene se wo fi ho a ono na eba. Enti so bi ho adwene bi se o ma me fi ko ya me be ahwe a me ntran konya no so ana say media bi be piti ho ansa na matna so obi akon life I will be feeling or they share juju. Obi one woman cosman or the share juju, obi on so or did you and to be the people say baby bia nipa minimum and some share bia no bia won happening. Se kopass will be goodness will be yenwa. Mean to mean cassette the orcan or bois. And I'm missing cassette the orcan or sushi and crap. If you say the end of the day, you would get in there about so said the Bible can say, do this idea, I'm sure no, and I abandon stream. And you know, maybe baby BI will be juju some get there, and I'm saying, yeah, blacks. Maybe before I ain't get no money, a court and a woman, you know. And one must be because will be a juju and will be a crazy. And you know, maybe me who say normal.
You've been in the movie industries for very, very long time. And fear any actually. What would you say, sir, is contributing to say yeah, moving as a choir and form? You can't say a back kind of cry. Maybe I moving what they say, no, that is not how it used to be. And what would you say is contributing to this?
No credit obi obeka to say film industry and as a kuma would go from bia the person onim ne oka sini adwuma no kra fe kra na koso kese I say can ya me bear mu no let me start from time I remember my bam so many years until the me canon me say muti the me can ye pa sini adwuma no a transition na time I me bam no na ye fe bi show na ye show no rest ne orion ne or the other you know and so na me joining and so na ye transfer from there to cassette and ye free cassette ne be sene ba CD say you free CD echo digital on the YouTube and on the other digital platforms na and ye cost say the ana nkofo adwene yom say sini adwuma no kofom na say on te say bi Kumasi yonko part 1 and 2 benya bi opera benya bi Kumasi kejetia benya bi otakra de market sec na sa no mani to free sini adwuma no kofom dabida de be mo hu say sini adwuma no ekoso ye production na ekoso in the country no and the man who says sini adwuma na ekoso as at now me ne wo kasai but me account you say Kumasi see production more than 20 or 25 production cost at the same time. You YouTube, you have Uber YouTuber. She say Dr. Nike and any team. They are shooting. It's a movie. Uber Ejako is shooting. It's a movie. Uber Papa Kumasi is shooting. It's a movie. Uko Emilia Bobe to see location. Oba TV series side or you message or that's location see we are shooting for Adum TV. Oba Matilda sorry almost so show YouTube they are still shooting. Oba Lewin will location see they are still shooting. Oba James Ajimai woni Akrobeto any other they are still shooting more location to see Mr. Susuno amount for location mame enti obi kase senior adwuma no kɔ fam wɔ ɔboa chinchine trying other people you know they are still on location and afei na adwuma na yɛ kɛse na adeɛ bi yɛ kɛse a mu nsɛm so yɛ kɛse nti sɛ kane na no yɛ me nko na me yɛ na yɛ kakra bi no ɛne ɛbasa no a mu nsɛm no bɛyɛ kakra bi sɛ dɔɔso
I say adukonti ankofo kasa ni say sani ana wo kan no Samuel Nyamecha is gone abroad part 1 and 2 what Saturday no ho uko Kumasi Job uko Kumasi wo hu no ni nyina afri ho say we see digital but Ghana no all the producers are talking about YouTube. Whilst you try in Nigeria, they are looking at Netflix and there's so many others. You know, in terms of vision, no form as a production. Say digital. No, we're still not pushing enough. We're still not very visible. Anything I can focus say echo from no Anna.
And you know, so because the Ghana for no vision for more. It's not true.
Okay.
Mami nchiremu Netflix no untimi nsori ano papa na unko Netflix. Netflix no mami mfa nyina ho te se Max TV. Envy amvante Max TV na bigger quiz ka se mi show. Opese wo yes series bi na opese mu show ma no. Wono wonya opportunity a wo kasa wo so no ne mo ka ho. Ese wonya obi a obetimi a link to Max TV before ansana the content no yetimia show no Max TV. Okwe Netflix Nigerians no more con Netflix no. It's agenda. Our government now making sure say anytime we be a film festival could be the government ministry we do no more festival. I want to have it in Netflix marketers. I want to link to Netflix. Makasa same we are bumping phobia for the new job. And you know, so when Ghanaian move beyond on Netflix, a party through Nigeria. Until one ma say Kopa say Netflix, you know, ultra Netflix movie. Now when you say Netflix, na mde kwa a whole budgeting ko. And I'm try YouTube so a whole budgeting ko. Say me try ko DSTV a whole budgeting ko. Say me de Max TV a whole budgeting ko. Enti baby ami twa akọ na be determine budget America so that say enti no say ko say Ghana no nka leaders let me LinkedIn am link to Netflix. I'm telling you say kebet me a compete with them ye be uniform minim say dia mu team no bet my researcher from 2000 from saying 98 no 99 and 2000 in Nigerians be shoot to sini wo Ghana. The quality still is strong. It's vision uniform, but semi trust in no na me spending $1 million and na me dey call. Semi trust in na me spending $500,000 and na me dey call. Oh, you know, semi nya baby am dey call. And to be investing huge, you know, and man, continue. YouTube now is so simple because all the government didn't lead you. When you finish your content, you put it there, you get your money back. What I say, and the Nigerians, you know, as I now can say, Netflix to crowd open office for Nigeria because the government, you know, are pushy. You know. Amazon as now me no kasa kwese Amazon Amazon office in Kofo is Nigeria maka buy ni support yen buy ni moa yen dey ye beye what me so dey no papa so ko Amazon now the content akọ even DSTV kwa na wo ben yen wa na ye wo yi wa Accra hasisi akwa no se be prove movie am wa je ko Nigeria.
All right.